Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are continuing the 100 Dragon Challenge, finally, after my break and trying to get back on the steam-rolling bandwagon, whatever you want to call it, of making videos. We're finally back to doing the 100 Dragon Challenge. This one was a little hard for me to get started. You know, after being on a break for so long, you kind of like, not forget how to do videos, but it feels pretty damn close. You're just like, what do I even do? Like, how do I set up my camera? What do I do for these videos again? So it took me a little bit to jump back into it. And then just with like the holidays and everything, it was just hard to get back on top of making videos. So thank you guys for your patience, but we are finally back to doing the 100 Dragon Challenge. So this one I did really enjoy concepting out, but I know a couple of you guys are going to hate it because I know two of my friends, or actually I think 3 of my friends are major arachnophobia people. So I know a couple of you are gonna find this very uncomfortable and displeasing. So if you made it this far and you're an arachnophobic person, I thank you for appreciating and supporting this video, but I totally understand if some of you cannot watch this because of how terrified you are of spiders. I totally get it. I don't like them. I mean, okay, I like them in pictures and I can appreciate them in like photos, but if they're crawling on my walls or too close to me, that's where it gets a little much for me. So I can totally understand anyone who's arachnophobic, because I think at least I'm mildly. If they're in my space, if they're in my vicinity, I am not a big fan of the spiders. So anyway, with that and then the concept done, it was time to do the final sketch and pose. And this one was really interesting because I wanted it to look like a very furry flying spider, which just saying that I know probably just triggered a bunch of you into arachnophobic responses because it is terrifying. I know a spider that I did on the channel I guess it's now long ago, was the tarantula hawk, and there was a couple of you that really hated it, and it's true. Just imagine a tarantula with wings that's bigger than like a cow, and it's terrifying. So I totally get it, because I would also be equally as terrified if I had to encounter one of those just out in the wild. Same with this though. A giant spider with wings that's a dragon sounds awful. I would not want to deal with it at all. And this one, I really heavily leaned into the spider aesthetic, but I wanted to add some more extra bits to it. I didn't go for the traditional horn look of like dragons, but I did add kind of, they're not like feathers, but I've seen some like chunks of, not even plumage, I guess, is it hair for spiders? I know there's gonna be some spider experts down in the chat, so if I say something wrong, you know that you can go down to the comments and probably find exactly what you need. Anyway, there's like these little, they kind of look like feathers in a way. They're like these tall tufts on some different spider breeds, but I put those along the face because I thought that would be really cool to mimic and replicate horns with. And then I was like, oh, this would be cool down the body. And it does kind of look like feathers as well, since this is a winged flyed, what word is that, Katelyn? A winged flying beast, having a kind of similar feather-ish aesthetic, I think looked pretty cool. But I really wanted to hone in on the bat wings because I feel those would look the best with the spider aesthetic, at least for my idea of a spider dragon. So after I got the line art done, I went in and added a thicker line art to different parts of the body that I wanted to pop, because I already kind of had a general color palette in mind. So I knew that I needed the lines to help things pop a little bit more once things were colored in. Because, I mean, there are some really amazing different colored spiders, but I was kind of thinking of like a wolf spider or like a tarantula. They usually have reds and browns and tans, and I thought that would make a really cool looking dragon spider or spider. Maybe I should just call them spiders. I love that. I love saying spider. Anyway, I knew those colors would make for a really cool combo on the spider dragon. So I was like, we're gonna lay into that. We're just gonna go for some browns, some reds, like just earthy colors for this creature and kind of mimic real spider patterning, but also just kind of make it my own in a way. And I know I don't think anything about this is 100% accurate to a spider. Like, I think I have too many eyes on it for it to be a spider. I know that I saw in a lot of the pictures, there's like some smaller eyes and some larger eyes on a spider. I didn't really count. I'm just like, here we go. This is enough eyes, whatever. This is fine. And then I know my mandibles are they called mandibles? Yeah, the mouth bits. I changed it a little bit for mine. To help with that dragon aesthetic. Also, this is the first video I'm doing with my new camera setup. So I use my webcam or my face cam that I upgraded as now the secondary side camera for these. And I really think the quality went up. I was able to start recording at a higher quality ratio. So depending on how YouTube eats this up and spits it out, it should be able to go up to 2K. I don't have enough to go up to 4K yet. At least I can try to push my settings and see how it goes, but I wanted to guarantee that this video would look okay. So I left it at 2K. But it looks really good. I'm really liking the new side camera. So let me know what you guys think too. The one complaint is sometimes it records a little bit dark. So I'm still messing with some lighting settings because this is my first time using this camera for this type of video. So let me know what you think and if you like the new look and the new quality to the video. So like I said before, I was going with some really nice earthy browns to mimic existing spiders in our world because I thought that'd be really cool to add in for this. And we're getting pretty close to finishing this guy up. There's quite a bit left to color, but I just want to talk about one thing real quick before I wrap up this video. So with the current state of the US in terms of who we are electing, Instagram posts are still being suppressed, specifically the hashtags. So my KM100 Dragons hashtag is being suppressed on Instagram, which is making it very difficult for me to sort through and find any dragon entries. So the end of this video, we won't have the usual dragon showcase. I think I'm just gonna take a pause from the dragon showcase until maybe January when Instagram might not be suppressing stuff anymore. I'm not really sure what to do because I kind of am thinking I might open a channel on the Discord. I'll let you guys know by maybe next episode for the 100 Dragon Challenge what I do, but basically I can still look at Twitter entries, but that's right now there's only 4 of them for the previous designs from last week, which was I think we had an astrology dragon if I remember correctly. But either way, I'm not able to see all your guys' entries, especially everyone on Instagram, which is where we usually get most of the entries from anyway. So I think for now, this week's entry for Spider Dragon, if you would like to participate, I'm gonna go ahead and make a Discord chat room. Basically, you can go post your 100 Dragon challenges there for this week's Spider Dragon. And then maybe starting from there, I'll start pulling from Discord and Twitter, at least until Instagram is fixed, because like I said, it's suppressing hashtags and I literally can't see any of your guys' entries. So either way, with that out of the way, if you'd like to participate, make sure to check out my Discord. The link's down in the description, as well as follow me on Twitter. You can still post your spider dragons under the hashtag KM100Dragons, and then there will be a chat room on the Discord called KM100Dragons, just so it all matches. But if you'd like to participate, I would love to see your guys' interpretations of a spider dragon. I bet there could be some really creepy cool or creepy cute ones, so I'm excited to see what you guys make. So here's the overall finished dragon. I love how it turned out. It looks really creepy and awesome. Thanks again for stopping by, guys, and checking out this video. I'd really appreciate it if you aren't already to hit the subscribe button, join our little nerdy community of monster lovers and creature creators. And I guess I'm gonna plug, I have a sale going on my website. It's only today's the last day, basically, where you can take 15% off your purchase with the coupon code SHOPSMALL, so you can get like a creature compendium or anything on my shop for like 15% off. So go check it out. Anyway, thanks again, guys, for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.